In this video, I'll be showing you how to capture a horse in Where Winds Meet. Now the easiest way to capture a horse, especially a wild one, is to simply go ahead and ensure that you're standing right behind it. So say for example you have this horse here that you wish to capture, you just need to go ahead and run up behind the horse so that it doesn't see you. And once you've done, simply select capture horse, and then you need to go through the motions of capturing the horse. So go ahead and start capturing the horse. And once you've successfully captured the horse, it will then be put in your ranch. So now from here, you can set this horse as your main horse companion, so the one that you'll summon whenever you're riding. Or you can go ahead and sell this horse to one of the ranches that are available around you. Or you can just choose to keep the horse for later use. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.